In this video, I will show you how to change the color of the product titles on product pages in Shopify's Dawn theme. First of all, let's log into Shopify admin account and then go to online store. Then locate Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top where you see homepage, click on the drop down, then select products and then default product. Then on the left, under template, click on product information. Then on the right sidebar, scroll all the way to the bottom and then select custom CSS. We're going to add the CSS rule right in here. But before we do so, let me go back to my website and quickly inspect the title. Okay, so the class selector for the title is product __ title, and as well there's an h1 tag. So let's add the following rule. Period product __ title space h1 space open the left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between and then press enter. On the next line, type color, colon, space. Now go to Google and just type color picker and just pick whatever color you want. In my case, I'll just pick red. Let's get the hex code for the red color, which is this one. Let's copy it. Now let's paste it right after the colon, right in here. And make sure to add the semicolon at the end. This is what the CSS rule should look like. In fact, let me just zoom in a little bit. Here it is. Now let's press save. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the product title is now red in color. In fact, if I open any of the other products, it will also going to be in red color right here. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.